It is that time again, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome back to another unboxing video. As always, my name is Mark, and today we're going with tools. Today we're going with the Ingersoll Rand W7152-K22 impact wrench. Let's get to it. The Ingersoll Rand IQ series tool offers versatile performance, cordless convenience, and rugged durability in compact packages with class-leading ergonomics and key benefits in the automotive services and MRO markets. The compact cordless design of every IQV series tool makes accessing tight spaces easier. Its lightweight design and ergonomic handles help minimize fatigue, making tools more comfortable to hold. Chemical and impact resistant, housings withstand tough environments and repeated drops while protecting interior components.
High-grade alloy steel impact mechanism. Shadowless 360-degree LED light ring, all-metal drivetrain and hammer mechanism, variable speed switch with electronic brake, tough composite housing and patented steel reinforced frame, powerful brushless motor, patented IQV Power Control System.
Controls include the IQV Power Control System with 4 modes: full power, half power, wrench tight, and hand tight. Applications for this product include general automotive repair, collision repair, heavy equipment repair, facilities maintenance, light assembly, and general industrial. There you have it, everybody. Thank you very much for tuning in for this video. We hope you found it informative. Be sure to like this video and subscribe to our YouTube channel for our unboxing series. And for more information, feel free to follow us at burtprocess.com. And I'll see you in the next unboxing video.